Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix this GPU configuration warning in DaVinci Resolve. The first thing I want you to do is locate your shortcut and then just right click on it and then just go ahead and click on open file location. Okay, come here and copy this file location. So press Ctrl C and then come here at the bottom left, right click on your start icon. Click here on settings, and once this loads up, I want you to go ahead and click on this option right here that says system. Okay, then click here on display, and under display scroll all the way down until you see graphics settings. Click on this, and now we need to click on browse. Okay, and once we are browsing, I want you to just paste in the address that we had copied. So let's say you'll be here on this PC section, just paste in the address, press enter, choose the .exe file. Okay, for DaVinci Resolve, click on add, and then all you need to do is click here on options and make sure this one is set to high performance. And before we save this, if you have different graphics card, make sure you change the GPU preference as well from Windows Decides to the correct graphics card. Then make sure you set it to high performance, save it, and you can go ahead and relaunch DaVinci Resolve and it will actually work. Really that easy and simple. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix